Today I'm going to teach you simple bank shots you must know. These are great for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Mitty Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so here we are at the table, and as I said previously, this video is going to be on bank shots, simple bank shots that come up in the game. This is more for beginners to possibly intermediate players, because I have come across some intermediate that basically didn't know how to take some of the bank shots. So let's say we're playing a game of 8-ball. Here's the layout of the table. I'll put a diagram up so you can see it. And I'm going to shoot the 11 ball in this corner pocket. It's a straight in shot, so I can't get really any angle. And it's already past the side pocket, so I can't shoot it into the side pocket. So again, I'm stripes, playing 8-ball. Get down on my shot. All right, so like I said, this is for beginners. And I have terrible position on the 8-ball. And again, this happens a lot, especially, I have a straight in shot. Not a lot that I could do with the cue ball. Yes, I could have followed and created an angle coming up this way. But if I don't get my proper position, then I'm not going to be able to make that shot in the side pocket. So again, this is for beginners that, aren't familiar, or they don't know how to play position. So that would be basically the normal shot. Straight in, cue balls left, right here. Now, I could try to cut the 8 over here. I can't bank the 8 in this corner pocket because that 3 ball's in the way, there's a blocker. So I need to come back over here in this side pocket. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna hit on the right-hand side of this 8-ball. Just a straight shot, meaning I'm not going to put any English on the cue ball, but my aiming point is going to be a quarter of that 8-ball. So again, in the diagram I'm going to show where the contact point should be. So this is a shot you definitely need to practice. And that's how you take that shot. A little bit. And again, like I said, this is another shot that comes up quite often. I'm stripes, playing 8-ball. I'm down, obviously I sunk all my balls, I'm down to the 8-ball. One of my best shots is going to be trying to pocket that 8-ball in this corner pocket. So right now, because of the angle I have, the natural flow of the 8-ball is going to want to come out this way towards this side pocket. So yes, it's a doable shot, but it's a lot more difficult. And you have a possibility, if you don't hit it right, you scratch into the corner pocket. So I'm going to bring the 8-ball back to this corner pocket right here, back to me. So like I said, these shots come up so often in a game. You must practice these. Just lay them out, follow the diagram that I provided, and let me know how you progress. You'd be amazed at how fast you'll pick it up and it'll improve your game. So there's no substitute for position play, but again, sometimes it's just impossible to get position on that ball, and these bank shots come up. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed these videos. There'll be many, many more to come, and please share, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that little bell down in the bottom. This way you'll be notified of all my new upcoming videos and giveaways and product reviews. And if you'd like to help support this channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. There'll be links below on how to do that. There's Patreon, and there's also PayPal if you just like to make a donation. And the funds obviously go towards bringing you more and more videos. So again, thank you so much.